how to add accountant in QuickBooks. So here I've just logged into my QuickBooks account, and from the main page we want to click on this cogwheel icon in the top right corner. Now here we want to locate manage users. It should be under your company. We want to choose manage users and it will take us to this page, users and accounting firms. So from this page we will obviously choose accounting firms here, and it's going to look like this. If we scroll down, you will be able to see this. An accountant can be your best business partner. Make it easy to work together. Invite yours to QuickBooks. So here we will paste our accountant's email address, and we will also be able to see this. Your accountant and members of their firm will have admin access to your company data. So after we have made sure that this is the correct email address, we'll simply click on invite here, and it will send us a code to our phone number, which we have to input. It's going to be a 6-digit code just to confirm that this is us inviting them to the admin access, to have admin access. And after we confirm the phone code that we have received, this will send an email, and our accountant can check their email address and enter and have access to our QuickBooks account that way. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.